Hey guys, so this is Henry here again. Yesterday I posted a video on my YouTube channel and also my TikTok channel talking about two cryptocurrencies that I would advise us to actually invest in, which was Tfuel and Chili's. Now, I want to be showing you guys something very striking. Now, I want to head over to my YouTube channel. I want to show you guys something very striking. Just watch, follow me. Now this is the video, the first one you're seeing. As you can see, it has 91 views, and it was 1 day ago. Now let me play the video so you see. I want to play this video so you see.
Hey guys,
all right, I have to pause it. I have to pause it right now. So all right, now check. I don't know if you can see the first, second, third, fourth, which is Tfuel. Now if you check at the right hand side, you see 3,496.50. if you check below that, you see $617.14, meaning the 3,496 Tfuel I have as of yesterday was worth 617.14 USD as of yesterday. Now I want to show you how much Tfuel is worth right now as we speak, which is today being the 11th of March 2021. So let me quickly head over to my Binance app. I actually use Binance to store and save my cryptos. All right, so I want to show you guys right now how much it is worth. Now let me go to my spot account. Now check BTT1 hold to Ncash 3 Tfuel number 4. As you can see, the 3,496.50 Tfuel that I had as of yesterday, that was 600 and something dollar, is now worth 1,040.83 USD. Imagine guys, from yesterday to today. See the change, see the value. Now if you guys have actually taken my advice as of yesterday, seeing this video, and you invested in Tfuel, you'll be making nothing less than ×2 of the money you invested in. Now as we speak, Tfuel is still way below, not really way below, Tfuel is still below $1 as we speak. Tfuel is now 0.299 USD, so meaning you can still invest in this cryptocurrency, guys. Now